All right, Bill, you got your motor here. Go ahead, Rob.
Alright, a little bit of piston to wall clearance here. This is a little excessive, but it's nothing crazy. You're not supposed to have this to the side. That clearly indicates damage with the wrist pin. Bottom area. Pulled the other ones out. Found a lot of heavy scoring inside here where the wrist pin slides into. And your pistons are cracked. Right here, the back side. See there? Also see the side here. Cracked straight through. You got two of them like that, cracked in the same area. Got one left to pull out.
Let's see the cylinder while I get the light.
Got heavy scoring inside the cylinder walls. Want to turn the block around? Those walls are not too good either.
Go ahead, turn it around.